Now let us talk about some pallet movement. Pallet movement is important for the warehouse. So in warehouse, how does it happen? And what are the tools for a pallet movement? There are hand pallet trucks. This is a truck with two forks that will fit into the slots of a pallet. The forks can be raised slightly by a simple pump action to lift the pallet off the floor. So hand pallet truck is there, but it would be used for carrying small pallets. Then there is a powered pallet truck. This is similar to the hand pallet truck, except that it is battery powered. In a hand pallet truck, we use pump to actually lift the pallet, whereas here pump would not be used. Instead of it, there would be a battery attached with it. The truck may be pedestrian controlled or may have a platform or a seat for the operator to stand or sit on it. So these type of powered pallet trucks, normally the operator would be standing, or sometimes there would be a seat for him to actually sit. Tugs and tractors for long horizontal movements. If you want to move horizontally and for a long distance, a tug may be used. Towing a number of trailers. This reduces the number of journeys. Trailers would normally have the pallets on it. This reduces the number of journey that needed to be performed. So normally what happens for a long distance, you'll be using a tug that will tow many trailers with it. And it would be slow, but it actually reduces the number of journeys. Then there are gravity-controlled and gravity-controlled movement as well. There are conveyors. Conveyors are of like rail conveyors. There are conveyors which are powered, which are manual as well. There are braking rollers in which brakes would be applied. What would be the type of a roller? It would be for the movement of a product in a slanted fashion, in which you need to have some slant, and you need to move the product from either from down that inclination or from above that inclination. So brakes would be applied actually on the pallets. There are chain conveyors, and example of chain conveyors would be the hanger system as well. And there are powered conveyors which are automatically driven. So these are the different types of tools which would be used for the pallet movement. This is an example of a pallet movement. This is a roller which is used for the stacking of different pallets. So students, in this session, we have seen different types of pallet movements and how they can be performed through different tools, which material handling tools which might be available in some warehouses. Thank you.